Seeing clinicians overwhelmed by overcrowding and data overload in emergency departments, I asked, could AI be their trusted co-pilot? From that question, Zenith DX was born. Hello, my name is Philippos Paraskevazigouris and I'd like to present Zenith DX, an advanced multimodal clinical decision support system with a mission to provide faster, more accurate and fully documented diagnostic support. It is designed for the demanding environment of emergency departments, as well as any clinical setting where speed and transparency are critical. The platform provides a secure and user-friendly environment. Each patient logs into their personal account where they can access the complete history of their diagnostic reports, with each case status clearly marked, approved, pending, or rejected. The How to Use section provides clear instructions for seamless system interaction. Let's examine a first clinical scenario. The patient uploads their chest X-ray and describes their symptoms. For the last 3 days I have had a high fever up to 38.5 degrees Celsius with chills and difficulty breathing. Upon submission, the case is immediately routed for analysis. The clinician logs into their own workspace. The central dashboard notifies them of the new report pending review. The diagnostic report is structured with clear sections: assessment, a concise evaluation of the clinical picture; differential diagnosis, the potential alternative diagnosis; final diagnosis, the final suggested diagnosis, in this case bacterial pneumonia; and a detailed step-by-step explanation for the decision. Zenith DX key competitive advantage is its multi-layered explainability, which reveals its diagnostic reasoning. A heat map is generated over the X-ray, precisely highlighting the pathological areas of the lungs that the system deemed critical for its decision. At the text level, the sequence attribution method highlights which phrases from the patient's description, imaging findings, or history had the greatest impact. Meanwhile, token attribution offers an even deeper analysis, revealing the contribution of each individual keyword token. This multi-layered transparency allows the clinician to critically evaluate the system's reasoning. They can edit the report, add personalized advice, save the changes, and ultimately approve the diagnosis. The final report is exported as a PDF, embedding a unique QR code for immediate secure access and traceability. The patient is automatically notified, receives the final diagnosis and the doctor's instructions, and has the opportunity to rate their experience. Let's review a second case where the patient only submits symptoms. I am feeling a dull ache in my lower abdomen, frequent urination with intense, sudden urges, cognitive fog and difficulty concentrating. Even without imaging data, the clinician receives a fully structured diagnosis report. Here too, the explainability analysis reveals the system's rationale, allowing the clinician to evaluate and intervene as they deem necessary. With its multi-layered interpretability and human-centric design, Zenith DX transforms from a black box into a reliable clinician co-pilot, ready to become an indispensable tool in daily clinician practice. Thank you for your attention.